So, let's see here. We just got this in the mail. Digital Storm PC. Yeah, boy. We just got us our PC pretty much. That's the box. So, yeah, you can see the box. Alright. This thing was like super wrapped up. I don't know if y'all can see all that fucking wrap, but yeah. I don't got a knife, so we're using keys. Go me, right? Crafty is what we like to call it. Same thing with a knife, right? Once you dig it in, it serves the same purpose. Woo-wee. Let's go. I've been dying for this bad boy. So, first thing we see, Digital Storm. What is that? What is this, boys? Oh, that's all my turn from there. This bitch has got a remote control. What? I don't even understand, bro. Why do I got a remote? See if we can see the bad boy. I don't think it's picking it up good, but that's the GeForce 1070M. I didn't get a 1080 because I don't believe in getting top of the line video cards. Nope, don't believe it. And then I got my hard drive. I'm supposed to have a USD in here. I mean SSD. I don't know where that is. Thought it would have been in here, but I guess not. Oh, maybe that's it right there. Yeah, that's it. I doubt y'all can see that. But that is the SSD. I guess I would have been smart to have a light, a brighter light in here even. Yep. Alrighty. Well, that is the PC that I got from Digital Storm. I can't even remember the name of it. It's pretty much their basic brand. I wanted to get it quick. So let's see. Does it tell me the name anywhere? Nope. Does not tell me the name anywhere. Well, I'll write the name down in the comments because I know I got it saved on my email. Always got some little vents down here of some kind too. Like, what is this? Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, that's to keep the... Huh. That's pretty unique. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah. It's got a little vent down here that you can pull on. I guess clean this off because that's your wattage, your power unit up under there, blowing out. So it probably blows it out hot since this is the bottom. Yeah, that's weird. I've never seen the power unit on the bottom of a computer before. Huh? Alrighty. Let's hook it up, boys. Let's hook it up.